Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're heading to Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios to take a spin on one of the land's most exciting and interactive rides, Toy Story Mania. As you enter Toy Story Land, the vibrant colors and oversized toys immediately transport you into the whimsical world of Andy's backyard. And right in the heart of it is Toy Story Mania, a 4D interactive ride that combines classic carnival games with cutting-edge technology. Stepping inside Andy's toy box, guests feel like they're shrunk to the size of a toy as they're surrounded by giant game pieces, crayons, and toys. Making your way through the queue, you'll come face to face with a life-size audio animatronic of Mr. Potato Head who entertains guests as they're waiting in line. Then board your carnival-themed tram and don a pair of special 3D glasses and get ready to put your skills to the test. You'll be sent through a series of 3D virtual carnival games hosted by Toy Story characters, using a spring-action shooter to take your best shot at an array of moving targets. To warm up, you'll stop by the pie-throwing booth for a bit of practice. This is a great time to adjust your aim, but don't go crazy shooting just yet. You should save some of your arm power because this round doesn't count for any points. Once you're set to go, you'll be sent through a series of 5 action-packed games. First up, join Ham and fire hard-boiled eggs at targets in the barnyard. Then there's Rex and Trixie's Dino Darts, where you launch darts and pop balloons in front of a prehistoric volcano. At the Green Army Man shooting camp, you'll fire baseballs at dinner plates. Join Buzz Lightyear at the ring toss to try and capture some of those little green men. And finally, you'll head to Woody's Rootin' Tootin' Shootin' Gallery, fire darts at targets inspired by the Woody's Roundup TV show. But just when you think you're done, there's a bonus round. Time to tire your arms to the point of exhaustion while hitting the bullseyes that appear on screen as many times as possible. Best part of this ride is that it's competitive and you can challenge your friends and family to see who racks up the highest score. Pile up the points by hitting hard-to-reach targets and aim for secrets to unleash bonus points. Once you finish the ride, you can check out the ranking screen to see how you stack up against the other competitors in your vehicle. And now that you know about Toy Story Mania, let's sit back and enjoy the ride.
Folks, it looks like we have to stop for a moment. But don't worry, stay in your seats, and we'll get going again as soon as we replace the battery. Rex, can you hurry it up, please?
You were amazing!
So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed a ride on Toy Story Mania at Disney's Hollywood Studios. It's an absolute must-visit for fans of Toy Story and anyone looking for a fun and interactive experience. If you've ridden Toy Story Mania, share your favorite tips in the comments below, and be sure to click here for our next adventure.